Stay still. Ow. Okay. As you can see here, I have a Rubik's Cube. My hair's a mess. It's dark outside, so I'm going to do this quick. I'm going to scramble it. In a previous video, I said that I could solve it in under 2 minutes. And I can. But I don't have a timer, so you probably won't believe me. I am able to solve it in under 2 minutes, so I promise you. I might do another video when I have access to a timer. My hair looks terrible. Still scrambling. Maybe there's a timer feature on KineMaster. I don't know. And I tend not to talk when I solve it, so. Alright. All nice and scrambled. And I gotta move fast because my phone is about dead. Alright. Ready? You can time it yourself if you want. I don't know. Alright, and solve it. It took a while for me to learn how to solve it, and then I learned like shortcuts and stuff, which was pretty good because I used to be slow. And then I upgraded to a speed cube. Almost done. All 6 sides are done. I guess that's it for this video. I'm gonna go inside and charge my phone. Do something with my hair because it's a mess. Give me suggestions of what you guys want to see, I guess. And I will try my best to do them. There's a lot of different things that I am capable of doing. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.